Hello kids, good morning. As you already know, counting from 50 to 99, today we will learn what comes before. Shall we start now? Kids, what are these? These are numbers. Let's find out what comes before. What comes before 1? 0. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 10? 9. Let's move to our sheet now. What comes before 52? I will hide 5. What comes before 2? 1. So I will write 1 under ones. 5 will remain same. It becomes 51. What comes before 65? I will hide 6. What comes before 5? 4. So we will write 4 under ones. 6 will remain same. It becomes 64. What comes before 78? I will hide 7. What comes before 8? 7. So we will write 7 under ones. 7 will remain same. It becomes 77. What comes before 81? I will hide 8. What comes before 1? 0. So we will write 0 under ones. 8 will remain same. It becomes 80. What comes before 89? I will hide 8. What comes before 9? 8. So we will write 8 under ones. 8 will remain same. It becomes 88. What comes before 96? I will hide 9. And what comes before 6? 5. So we will write 5 under ones and 9 will remain same. It becomes 95. So kids, keep practicing. Thank you.